The coolant level sensor is a simple sensor that's responsible for measuring the level of the engine's coolant, just like it sounds. Now this reading is sent off to either the engine computer, your dash, or both. And in the event of a low coolant situation, the sensor will report that, send it off, and then the low coolant light will illuminate or a message will show up in the driver's display. Now you'll typically find this sensor located into the coolant reservoir or the radiator side tank. And when you go to replace this sensor, you want to make sure that the engine is cool to the touch, because as the cooling system gets hot, it builds up pressure, and you never want to open up a pressurized hot engine cooling system. You can get sprayed with that hot coolant. When you remove the sensor, you're going to leak out engine coolant. There's really no way around it. So if you work quickly here and have the sensor on hand and ready to go and install it and plug it back in, this will minimize the coolant loss. Now on some engines you will have to bleed the cooling system of air after the job is done, but it depends on the vehicle and it depends on how much coolant you lost during that installation. Now if this sensor is failing, your vehicle may react in a few different ways. The warning light might come on even though the system is full, or the warning light might not ever come on even if the system were empty. You can also end up with a check engine light on. A few of the common codes that are related would be a P0114, P0115, and P0118. So why should you get yourself an NTK engine coolant level sensor? Well, as with every NTK sensor, you're getting yourself a premium quality product with outstanding support and industry-leading innovation that's been bred directly from our company's OE heritage. These attributes and more truly make NTK the sensor specialist.